Today we're looking at the Reolink video doorbell. This video doorbell is in white. So right away we have this beautiful white Reolink doorbell. Now this feels substantial. This one has a battery built into it and you can charge the battery. It's also wired. Now I got it for wired configuration, and you also have microSD card slot right here, or it can charge also from the wiring of your house from your transformer. Here is the on-off switch, built-in PIR sensor. It has infrared LEDs, got the button, a light with the ring around here. Let's turn it on here.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
We are going to hit the plus button right here.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Okay, use with Home Hub.
Instale la aplicación Reolink y escanee el código QR en la cámara. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
So since I was using my complete mesh system, I had to go with other LAN system and I had to put it in through the QR code. New version of camera is available.
Welcome to Reolink.
So we have new version is available to do an update.
Welcome to Reolink.
Okay, I see now we have the light blinking. We are doing the update. Upgrading this may take up to about 5 minutes. Do not lock the screen or run the app in the background, otherwise update may not succeed. Update is completed. Done.
Connection to the router succeeded.
All right.
Welcome to Reolink.
We have succeeded in
Connection
talking.
to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
We're talking to the router. Device and Home Hub connection succeeded. Next. Start initialization. This is going to be called Doorbell. Doorbell. Okay. Done. Next. We won't worry about that. Got it. And that is the sound of the doorbell. All right. So let's select. There we are. We are got a fisheye view of this doorbell. Quick reply.
I'm sorry. I think you've knocked on the wrong door.
Well, it's got a good sound.
Hi. We'll be right there. Please wait a moment. Hi. Please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later.
So this is what comes inside the box. Wire pigtail, wire extension pigtail, the mounting bracket, the wedge, the doorbell, the USB-C cable, and the mounting screws, along with the operational instruction manual. So look what just showed up from Reolink. Reolink Innovation Limited. This product name, Reolink Chime. So this is the chime to go with the doorbell. Now you can choose to use your existing chime if it works with that, or you can go with this. First look at the Reolink Chime. We have volume control, setup control, speaker on the back side, and illumination on the front side. Operational instructions. Okay, we're going to set up the chime. We just plugged it in. Plug in the chime. Long press the setting button. I heard the chime will beep twice and the light will illuminate blue. Open the Reolink app, navigate to the settings page of the doorbell and select chime. Reolink app. Doorbell settings. And we are going to select chime. Okay. Then click the plus icon. Here's what you do. You got your Reolink doorbell all set up. You go to settings, you go to chime, you will see Reolink Chime. Now that's only if you're in the standalone setting. If you go to your Home Hub setting, you will not find the Reolink Chime for some reason. There's supposed to be an update coming for the Home Hub, but it's not out as of this video. So go to Reolink Chime. It says pair the doorbell with the chime first. Go to plus. Plug the chime into a socket. Long press the setting button on the chime to start pairing. I believe that's the top one. There you go. Now, searching. Reolink Chime, pair. Okay, the color changed. Pairing has succeeded. Next. Name the chime, Reolink Chime. Chime 1. Done. Next. Okay, so light, sound, volume is turned up. City bird, person, off, off, off. Okay. You can change the sound for a package or a person. We'll do that one for person. And for package, we'll do hop hop for the package. And that is done. Now we have a test. Okay. This is what the Reolink video doorbell looks like at night. This is what it looks like with me up at the door. This is what it looks like with me at the camera right here at the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I walk away. This is what the Reolink video doorbell looks like from a distance.